Introduction. An essay is a piece of writing that presents an argument, analysis, or personal viewpoint on a particular topic. An essay is a piece of writing that is written to convince someone of something, or to simply inform the reader about a particular topic. It involves the use of language to convey ideas, persuade readers, and communicate information effectively. Length. The length of an essay can vary from a few hundred to several thousand words, but typically falls between 500 to 5,000 words. Typically, an essay has 5 paragraphs, an introduction, 3 body paragraphs and a conclusion. However, there is no set rule about the number of paragraphs in an essay. Language. Use clear and concise language to convey ideas effectively. Avoid unnecessary jargon or overly complex sentences. Pay attention to grammar, spelling, and punctuation to maintain clarity and professionalism. Components of an essay. Typically, there are 3 main components of an essay. Introduction. It is a starting paragraph and must contain an attention grabber for the reader. Ensure that the introduction moves from the general to the specific in regards to the topic. Provides the reader with a roadmap of the essay in a logical order. At the end, there should be a thesis statement. Body. Body includes the evidence and support of the paper. Paragraphs must include a topic sentence, which relates the discussion back to the thesis statement. Logically order the ideas. Include substantial examples and evidence to support your argument. Conclusion. It should not provide any new material or arguments, but create a feeling of closure to readers. This section should wrap all of your arguments and points. Should restate the main arguments in a simplified manner. Ensure that the reader is left with something to think about, particularly if it is an argumentative essay. Purpose of essay writing. Expression of ideas. Essays provide a platform for individuals to articulate their thoughts, beliefs, and experiences on a variety of subjects. Critical thinking. Essay writing encourages critical thinking by requiring writers to analyze information, evaluate evidence, and form reasoned opinions. Communication skills. Through essay writing, individuals enhance their communication skills by learning how to convey complex ideas in a clear and concise manner. Academic assessment. Essays are often used as a means of assessing students' understanding of course material, their ability to engage critically with concepts, and their proficiency in written expression.